How to renew work permit in Canada for Refugee Claimant 2025. If your work permit is about to expire, this is not something you want to delay. Most people get overwhelmed by the process, but renewing a work permit as a refugee claimant in Canada in 2025 is more straightforward than it seems. Refugee claimants are eligible for an open work permit while their claim is in progress. To renew it, you must apply before your current permit expires. This is critical because applying on time gives you maintained status, meaning you can keep working legally. Start by creating or logging into your IRCA online account. Choose Apply to come to Canada, then select Work Permit. When asked for permit type, select Open Work Permit. Upload required documents. This usually includes your refugee claimant document, current work permit, passport pages, and proof that your refugee claim is still active. Most people get this wrong by skipping the explanation letter. Write a short letter stating you are a refugee claimant requesting renewal of an open work permit under humanitarian grounds. Pay the work permit fee. Refugee claimants are often exempt from the open work permit holder fee, but always confirm before submitting. After submission, you'll receive confirmation. You won't believe this part. Even if processing takes months, you can keep working if you applied before expiration. The surprising truth is that many applications are delayed due to missing documents, not eligibility. In 2025, applying early is the key to uninterrupted work authorization. Stay proactive, track your application, and protect your ability to work. Subscribe for more Canada immigration guides explained clearly.